Hi everyone, my name is Sam. I'm talking about English. This is my humble take on English, in particular regarding the B2 First Cambridge exam. Today, I will show you the difference between a compound sentence and a complex sentence. A compound sentence has two or more independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction, and, but, or, so, yet. Key point. Each clause can stand alone as a complete sentence. This is an example of compound sentence. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. On the other hand, a complex sentence has one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. Key point. The dependent clause cannot stand alone and is introduced by subordinating conjunctions like because, although, since, if, when, while, after, before. Here's an example of complex sentence. I stayed home because it was raining. That's it. The time is up. I hope this helped you understand it better. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe on my page, Crisscross English, 431.858. See you there.